What is up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. You guys asked for it, and we are delivering. We got a speaker shootout for you. You guys are always asking which speaker is right, how does this compare next to that? Well, in this particular video, we're gonna be comparing two different Elac speakers, the IW V61 and the IW V62. So in-house, the same manufacturer, just two different models. But I know what you guys really want to see is the comparison and thoughts between the different manufacturers, because they all have something a little bit unique, whether it's the tweeter design, the woofer design, and how they sound overall. We're going to give you our opinions. So smash that subscribe button and see the whole series that we're recording now. Now, if you would like to purchase, make sure to reach out and share your support. We ship throughout the entire country and would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, let's get into this shootout. Alright guys, while Chris is switching this out, I just wanted to give you the rundown. We got a Claris cabling, power cabling, hooked up to a Claris Concerto. So clean power coming in, and we're just running a extra Denon 6700 that we had laying around in stereo direct. So we're not boosting it in any way, giving you a true authentic experience here. That was the IW V61s. Now we're doing the VI62s. Or the IW V62. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go.
So it looks like there is, again, yet another difference in between these two. So it looks like it's more or less the same song and dance. The V61s, those are actually really impressive. To be honest, I would put these ahead of the Martin Logans right now.
Definitely versus the Installer series.
Yeah. So
for sure, and I would say, honestly, kind of, especially these guys over here, the 62s, kind of give the Motion series a run for its money.
And that's exactly what I was thinking whenever I was listening to them. Like, this one's very pleasing, especially on that first part of Run Like Hell, like we just listened to. You actually hear the audience pretty clear and detailed and crisp, you know, on that very first part of the song. But whenever the bass comes in, this is really tight and really harnessed and really controlled. That was the main thing I noticed. This one, there's differences in between the series for sure. But the mid-bass tones on this one, it kind of just seems like it could use a little more control for sure. But besides that, I mean, both great speakers.
They were very similar.
Yeah,
I would say.
Yeah,
and they're actually
they're not that different in price either.
No, you're at $229 versus $299 per speaker. So I wouldn't expect a huge difference between the two, but definitely a little tighter in the mid range. And like I said, or like you said, it definitely gave that Martin Logan a run for its money.
Yeah, I think that you could probably attribute the more control on the mid bass is to the construction of the mid bass driver. So this one over here is polypropylene. This one right here is aluminum, and really the only other difference is really kind of the same design, maybe a little bit of a rubber texture. This one's a little more glossy. But the tweeters are a little bit different. They're still 1 inch on these ones. We have the soft dome over here and then the cloth on this one as well. So I think they're pretty good. So I think that we're going to wrap this video up and continue on and make the next video is going to be, we're going to go around in clockwise fashion. Next one's going to be the episodes. After that's going to be our favorite, the Focals. But I mean, we're being very we're being very clear here that we're going to listen to all of them and give everyone their own fair shake. So it's not like we're going to push Focal because we love it. We love it for a reason.
Well, yeah. As you guys saw that one video where we had the 724, I about lost my mind. I mean, for the money, it's still not like an outrageous price tag. The 300 series is built to perform. But this isn't about that. These Elacs sounded pretty impressive for the price point that they're in. So if you guys would like to purchase this product, we ship throughout the entire nation and have a free consultation service. Reach out and utilize it. You know, guys, we're gonna build a package that fits your exact needs and budget and maximize the experience. Well, that's all we got for you. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach and Chris with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one, guys.
You're making your debut on the internet, buddy. With your little facey face and your little doo-doo-doo.
Oh my gosh, is that the Dreamedia van in my neighborhood? What? Wait, Dreamedia, come back!